Differential Pressure Transmitter Calibration Procedure. 1. Verify the transmitter tag number, model, serial number, and calibration range against the approved instrument data sheet, IDS. 2. Perform a visual inspection of the transmitter for any physical damage, loose connections, or process port contamination. 3. Securely mount the transmitter on a suitable calibration bench or support stand. 4. Vent the low pressure, LP, side of the transmitter to atmosphere. 5. Connect a calibrated pressure source to the high pressure, HP, side of the transmitter and ensure that the equalizing valve is closed. 6. Connect a 24-volt DC power supply and a HART communicator to the designated transmitter terminals. 7. Energize the transmitter and allow sufficient warm-up time for stabilization. 8. Verify the calibrated range, LRV, URV, from the instrument data sheet and transmitter configuration. 9. Apply pressure equivalent to the lower range value, LRV. The transmitter output should indicate 4.00 milliamps, 0%. If necessary, perform a zero adjustment using the HART communicator. 10. Apply pressure equivalent to the upper range value, URV. The transmitter output should indicate 20.00 milliamps, 100%. If necessary, perform a span adjustment using the HART communicator. 11. Apply test pressures at 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% of the calibrated range during the upscale test, and 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and 0% during the downscale test. Record the corresponding output values and verify that they are within the acceptable tolerance. 12. If any readings are outside the allowable tolerance, repeat the zero and span adjustments and recalibrate until acceptable results are achieved. 13. Verify transmitter damping, engineering units, tag information, and HART configuration parameters, where applicable. 14. Upon completion of calibration, return the transmitter configuration to its specified operating settings and isolate the test equipment safely. 15. Affix a calibration sticker to the transmitter indicating the calibration date, due date, if applicable, technician's name, and signature. 16. Record all calibration results in the calibration record sheet and obtain the required approvals signatures from the client representative and instrument QC inspector. 17. Ensure all test equipment is disconnected and the work area is left clean and safe. This version is suitable for inclusion in a calibration procedure, method statement, or QA/QC documentation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA